Welcome back to another episode of Shade TV. My name is Marissa Hill. Today we'll be discussing a Nike SB Dunk Low Pro. These are known as the joggers. Let's take a quick sneak peek. Welcome back everyone to another unboxing and review. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe right now. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave those down below. Hit that notification bell because I do have a ton of heat coming up that I don't want you to miss out on. Also be sure to check out that join button for amazing membership perks as well as our merch store. Today we're going to be talking about a Nike SB Dunk Low. These are known as the Dodgers. So we'll go through the overview, talk about size and fit on these, followed by how I style this colorway, and then we'll conclude with how well these are currently doing on the resale market. So let's jump right into it. So closing out the MLB with a special release at that. This special edition Dunk pays homage to the Los Angeles Dodgers. When I had these in hand, I was shocked at how high the quality was on these. So definitely very surprised, but happy to know that this is just a very well-made Nike SB Dunk. So starting with the front, we do have this nice suede texture in that Dodger blue colorway. We've got just clean white leather on the front of the upper here. Nice matching laces here with a nice and thick plump tongue. As you know, the SB Dunks typically have a much fuller, thicker tongue on them. We do have the lace tips, which are swapped in a white colorway. If you're not feeling the blue, you do get two other options. You get them in red or white, which kind of feel like I might switch them up to the red just to kind of match that accent for the Nike SB and swoosh logo here. I think that this is just a nice color combination, but I do love the fact that they gave us 3 colorway options. And on the interior of this tongue, this actually also says welcome on the inside. And then on the interior of the tongue, one thing that is really cool is they're also paying homage to the sunny, bright LA weather. I actually used to live in LA for a few years, so definitely LA, when I remember it, was just all about being sunny pretty much every single day, and there are palm trees pretty much everywhere, which is really cool. So let's take a look at those details and then we'll move along to the side paneling. All right, so moving along to the side panels, we have underlays of that smooth white leather, and then again, just a different material with overlays of this just beautiful blue color scheme. It's a nice deep royal blue. As we work our way to the back, we've got Nike stitched and embroidered in that red colorway, which pops quite nicely off the blue. The interior is in a blue and white color scheme. And then as we work our way to the lateral side, same thing with the swoosh mark and that nice navy royal deep blue colorway with the underlays of the white leather and overlays of the navy again. As we work our way to the bottom of the midsole, we've got white and a nice gum bottom that has some blue on the center portion here. And then on the right sneaker is actually a really cool bubblegum spot. You don't have it on both, but I love that they did put it on the one, and that bubblegum mark does make its way up over the back of the lip here. All right, let's take a look at those last and final details. All right, so now let's talk about sizing. For SB Dunks, I found that they do run a little bit on the smaller side just because there is that additional padding that you're getting in that tongue in the back section of the heel here. So I recommend going a half a size up in these. So I went with a size 8. I'm typically a size 7.5. Again, if you do have high arch narrow feet like myself, go half a size up. But if you do have flatter, wider feet, that could differentiate something opposite from my own. All right, so now let's jump into styling. So this color scheme is a little bit more difficult just because of this blue shade to work with. So for me, it was a little bit easier to kind of, I feel like, find just some navy tones. And so for the first look, I decided to wear this just navy sweatshirt. I layered that with a plaid button down with some different blue hues and then some plaid pants. And for the second look, I decided to go kind of with a little bit more beige hues and brown and tan hues just because of the gum bottom here. So I wore some beige plaid pants with a suede tan jacket and underneath a navy sweatshirt. And then for the last and final look, I wore something a little bit on the dressier side. I wanted to play up the red tones in this. So I wore a nice tight fitted ribbed sweater dress in red, and I layered that with a nice kind of fuzzy jacket in a cream colorway. All right, so you let me know down below what was your favorite look of the three, or how would you style these? these are currently doing on the resale market. So these retailed at $120 and they're currently going between $250 to $320, which is a pretty good number for some SB dunks. Nice little high resale on these. All right, so that's it for this unboxing and review. If you joined us for the first time, thank you so much. Hit that subscribe on your way out. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, leave those down below. Hit that notification bell because we have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button for our amazing membership perks as well as our merch store. This is ShadeTV. My name is Marissa. We'll catch you on the next episode.